Hey dear children, how are you all? Yes, you are enjoying every day, right? Yeah, very good. And I think you are learning more because you have lots of time. Fine. And yes, you read something new every day. That means, see, course you are reading only, textbook you are reading, right? You read something new like stories, some article, something new you can read, right? It will enhance your reading skill, understanding skill, and also you will enjoy the story and writing, and you can improve your writing in the same manner. Fine. So this is all I wanted to say you. Write down, okay, and note it down that ma'am has told you to read book, or you can write somewhere or make notes, okay, where you will write which book, which article you have read, and see after 1 month, okay, after 1 month, how many articles you have read, how many books you have read, new books or new story book, how many stories you have read, how many writing you have read, okay, you note it down, and let's see you are improving or not. Fine. Suppose you will read at least 10 to 15 in a month, right? So in 2 months 30, so you multiply like this. So in a year at least you will find a number of things in you and in your collection. So take a notebook, write down dates, okay, where you have started, or write down the names of the stories, name of the books, okay, and take it when you started reading the book and when you have completed reading that book, okay, all these records. Because last year we children, even me also, we children, we started doing that, and we found that we have read so many things, we have collected so many writings, so many articles, so many stories, short stories, and every day we were getting new and new. Fine. So I hope you will do. Yes, but today we'll solve Unseen Passage 2, okay, that is from page number 42. Open page number 42. Yes, and this Unseen Passage, it's about penguin, okay. Have you seen penguin, how it's look? Yes, we can find penguin in cold area, right? So let us read this passage and then we'll solve it. So are you ready, all of you? Okay, take your pen, pencil, or you can use your finger, okay, read with me. Penguins are a group of aquatic, flightless birds living mostly in Antarctica. Okay, so penguins are bird. It is aquatic bird. Aquatic means जो bird पानी में रहता है. That means, okay, aqua means water, right? And it is flightless. That means this bird doesn't take any flight, मतलब उड़ता नहीं है, okay, and we can find this bird mostly in Antarctica region. Antarctica, that is cold region, right? Penguins have dark and white feathers. So with what color? They have dark and white color feathers. So this is describing what, right? Dark and white. It describe about penguins' feathers. They have flippers for movement in water. They have flippers, you know, you can like duck, they use flippers to move in water. Most penguins feed on fish, squid, and other forms of sea life caught while swimming underwater. So most of penguins, what happen, they feed on means they eat fish, squid, and some water animals. They spend half of their life on land and half in the ocean. So see, it is not like fish, right? Or not like other aquatic animal. See, half of their life they spend in water and half of their life they spend in land. Suppose you can count like this. Suppose there are 12, see, not suppose, it's true, only 24 hours. So 12 are in water and 12 are in land, you can say, right, on land. Okay. Emperor penguins are the largest living species. Okay, so which penguin? Emperor penguin, that is the largest living species. Penguins, largest living species. And the blue or fairy penguins, okay, I am underlining it. Blue or fairy penguins are the smallest species. So which one is the largest one? Emperor one is largest, and blue or fairy is the smallest species of what? Penguins, right? Most of the penguin species live in large colonies. Okay, so most of the penguin they live in large colonies, that means in a group, you can say. Okay, and penguins are not afraid of human beings. Okay, so they don't afraid to human being. डरते नहीं है human being को, because they are quite familiar, you can say, or friendly. This is probably why they don't fear. The reason written here, this is probably because penguins have no land enemy in Antarctica, right? That means they don't kill or don't harm people. They don't harm to penguin. That is why they don't afraid of it. Okay, human. Instead, इसके अलावा, that means they are at a risk in sea from shark or leopard seal, but they have risk of what? Sharks and leopard seal. In 1986, which year? In 1986, Silvio Mazzola created a famous penguin cartoon character named Pingu. Wow, so cute name, right? Pingu. Penguin, Pingu. Fine, nice. So I hope you understood this unseen passage. Okay, let us go for the question answer one. Fine. The first question given you here: where are penguins mostly found? See, in the first line you can get answer in mostly found in Antarctica. So penguins are mostly found in Antarctica. I hope you have written the correct answer. If not, write it down. Now second question is, name the smallest penguin species. We underlined it, right? Which one? Yes, this one. The blue or fairy penguins are the smallest species. Which one? The blue or fairy penguins are the smallest species of penguins species, and the largest one also written, but question is asking about all the smallest, so no need to write that one. Okay, third number question: why are penguins not afraid of the human beings? Just now we have discussed, right? So here is your answer. Penguins are not afraid of human beings because, you start from answer, because penguins have no land enemy in Antarctica. That's your answer. Okay, fine, we got all the answer. Now let us discuss grammar part. Write the two plurals from the passage. I have written here penguins and sharks. If you found more, you write that one. It is completely okay. Okay, fine. Now next, write two adjectives from the passage. I have I have written for you 4. You can write any other thing also, it's okay. Here I have written dark, white, smallest, largest. Okay, you can choose any one, or if you found something new in it, you can write it down. So this is all about Unseen Passage 2 from page number 42. In page number 43, the question is asking that collect the national flags and write about them. So here in this question, you will collect national flags of different countries. Okay, if you don't find the picture, do one thing, you can draw it or color it, right? See, there are 6 boxes given for you. Okay, you number it first. Suppose it is 1, 2, 3, this one is 4, 5 and 6. So how many flags you have to collect? Yes, you have to collect at least 6 flags. And if you don't find color one, check it in internet, draw by yourself, then color it in this flags. It's okay for you, right? Because this is lockdown time and you know we are in crucial situation, so I will not allow you to go outside and buy all these things, and that means it's not safe at all. So it's okay, at least we are learning now. That's enough for us. Fine. Yes, now in this phrase you will write, suppose you will you are writing about first flag, put one number and write information about first flag. Okay, second you write second and write about second flag. Like this you will complete this page number 43. Got it? Yes, but do one thing, don't copy from book. In your textbook there are few flags given and there are information also, but don't do that. You choose something new. Fine, something new from internet or some other source. If you have any book at your home, flags book or something, you can collect from there. It's okay. Fine, because we need to know about flags, how it looks and what is the importance of it, and why it stands for, what is the meaning of that flag. Okay, got it? Fine.